Everyone, today I'm going to explain how to get an electrical contractor license, also called as the C10 license in California. So this license is for electrical contractors who work on wiring, electrical systems, installations, and other projects in homes, businesses, or industrial buildings. So helping qualified workers legally take on electrical contracting jobs. So to apply, you need to be at least 18 years old. You have a social security number or ITIN, and have at least 4 years of journeyman level electrical experience. So this means that you are no longer a trainee or apprentice and can do electrical work without direct supervision. After meeting with the requirements, submit your application to the Contractor State License Board, and once it is approved, you can schedule your exams, and you will need to pass the Law and Business exam and the Electrical Trade exam, which covers basic business rules, electrical work, safety, and troubleshooting. After passing both exams, complete the final paperwork, fingerprinting, and any remaining requirements, and once it is approved, your C10 license can be issued now. So that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.